The Archer TXE75E Wi-Fi Card by TP-Link brings cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6E technology to your desktop, offering expanded bandwidth with the 6 GHz band for faster and more efficient connections. With its dual antennas and a magnetized base, this Wi-Fi card offers broader coverage and reliable connections, ensuring optimal signal reception wherever you place it. The inclusion of Bluetooth 5.3 technology allows for faster speeds and wider coverage, making it easy to connect multiple devices, like game controllers and headphones, seamlessly. The Archer TXE75E enhances your gaming experience by minimizing lag through advanced technologies like OFDMA and MU-MIMO, providing a smooth and immersive experience even on crowded networks. Security is a top priority with this card, as it employs WPA3 encryption to safeguard your network and personal data against unauthorized access. Designed to fit various computer cases, it comes with both standard and low-profile brackets, adding versatility to its installation options.